Good day, guys. I still remain my humble self, Prince Honore, the CEO of Pixelab Graphics. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please endeavor to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us on how to make a simple logo using our Pixel app. A simple logo using our Pixel app. So quickly, let's go to our Pixel app. This is my Pixel app. I'll cancel last operation. I'll delete this text. Okay. Now I have an idea of what I want to design. So I'm going to my gallery to pick it up, the logo I want to design. So I'll be working with Redeemed Christian Church of God logo. I have it in my WhatsApp. Nice photos. Okay, I have it here. Yeah, okay, this is what I want to design. Good. Okay. So this is what I want to design. So first of all, if you look at this logo, you find out that the two things that you actually need here is an eagle, then a round circle. So those are the two major things. So quickly, I have downloaded these images already on my phone. But the first thing you do, you pick on shapes. Pick on shapes, circle. Make it big. I want it big. I want the logo to be big. Okay. I place it at the center. Using my relative position. Good. Now, so I'll go to my gallery and pick up the circle that I need for my design. I'll go to my gallery, pick it up from, okay, I have the eagle here. Let me just pick the eagle. This is my eagle. Let me pick it and keep it somewhere here. Then I have my circle. I have my circle here. My circle. If you go on your Pinterest, you see so many PNG on circle. This is the one I want to use. Good. Click on it. Now, if you see this circle, I'm going to make it red because the color is red. Let me hide this eagle first so that will not be obstructing what we're doing. So I'll go to my color, change it to what? To red. So I've been able to get a red shape. So what I'll do is that I will make it to fit into the size. Good. Don't be in a haste when you are designing. Always take your time. Check for those little hidden details. Good. Let me use my position tool to see how it looks like. Position tool to fit it in. Good. I think I should increase the shape by 1, relative size 92. Make it 92. Then adjust it again to fit in. Ensure that it fits in very well. Okay. Let me reduce the one of the circle. Let me reduce the circle a bit. That we know what we are working with. Relative size. Reduce it. Okay. Let me position this. Let me reduce this one with 1. Okay, let me position it now. Position it. Okay, I think we're almost there. Good, we're there. If you check the edges, you see that they are already lapping. Nothing is leaking out. So I'll go to my, first of all, before I go there, let me duplicate it because I will be needing this same circle again instead of me going back to my gallery. So let me lock these ones I've done. That will not be moving up and down. Good. Now, what we have another circle here, but of a lower diameter, lower circumference. Okay, I think I should take it out a little. Good. Let me use my position to position it. Sorry, let me edit it. Position it very well. Good. Ensure that the edges are equal, up to bottom are equal. You look at it and you see that they are okay. I leave it to me. I think it's okay now. Okay, what I'll do again, I'm going to duplicate this because we have up to 3 of the circles. So let me go to here and lock this one. Then this one will be movable. Now I'll reduce this. I'll reduce it. And I will try and position it very well again. You see, this thing is very simple to do. If you really understand everything I told you in the introduction, see, it's very easy. What you don't know is bigger than you. That's it. So some of you might be surprised. Wow, so I can do this with my phone, and I've been idle. So position it very well. Okay. Ensure that right and left are the same width, up and down the same width. Don't be in a haste because you'll be fixing alphabet in this space. If they are not well arranged, you will have issues later by the time you put alphabets. If you want to try it, you can just pick on an alphabet and try and position it. Pick on an alphabet and position it, that you see whether it's now of the same height. Okay, I use that to confirm. Let me increase our text size. Increase it. This is just for confirmation. We've not started doing anything on it. Okay, let me put the color to be blue. Use our position to move it. Good. I just want to test run it and see whether, okay, I'm having something. Let me see how it will fit in here, whether I will have that same space. You see, I think I need to push it up a little bit. Now watch. I think I need to push it up a little. I need to take the circle up a little because the upper part is bigger than the lower part. And let's check here. Let's check it. Okay, let me check this left hand side. I'm doing all these things just to check and know whether what I'm doing. Okay, I think these two. What I will do is that I will push this one a bit. I know what to push. 1, 2. Then I'll take this one up. 1, 2. I think with this we're at the same page. So I'll delete this A out because I don't need it. Now, if you are satisfied with this, you lock this one. Then nothing will be moving again. Now, let me bring our ego back. This is our ego. This is my ego. Let me just leave it at this corner first because we'll need it soon. So we'll go to our shapes and we'll pick on the circle again. We'll pick on the circle, and we make the color blue. Make the color blue. Good. Now I'll reduce this blue. Reduce it. Okay. Then I use my position to position it very well. Ensure that right and left are the same, up and down the same. Ensure that the thickness between this blue and this red line is not bigger than the one of this one outside, this two red line outside. You see that this one is okay like this. I think it's okay for me. So I'll go here, I'll lock it up, I'll lock it. Good. Now this is our blue, this is our eagle. Let me take it to the front, Good. Now if you see, look very well, these are hidden details. You see that the eagle here in the original logo is touching both edge of the blue shape. So you make it like that, drag it a little bit, then use your position to position it. I think I should say increase it a bit. Let me increase the eagle size a bit. Okay, good. Now I can now use my position to position it well. Okay, I think it's even positioned well. Okay, take it up a little. Good. Now with this, I've been able to do this. So I'll lock the eagle up. Then what next? The redeemed Christian. That's the text. You come to your text and you write the redeemed Christian in capital letters. The redeemed Christian. Okay, this is it. The redeemed Christian. So I'll go to text A. I'll change the color to green. Then I'll make the text bold. Don't change the font type, just make the text bold. Then increase the text size, increase it to about 50. I think 50 will be okay for this. Now what you just have to do now, you need to bend this text so that it will become circular. What you have to do is this: you still click on the text, then you come to this, your curve, then you curve it. So curving it, try and adjust it. I think I still need to increase this text size. Go back to text size, increase it. Let me see. Okay, let me make it 55. Then go to your curve again, curve it. See how you can position it. Curve it. Good. Redeemed. I think you still need to increase the text size that it can fit very well. I don't want the space between the up and down to be that big. So I'll increase the text size again to about 60. 60 will be okay now. Good. Now let me curve it again. I'll go to our curve. I'll increase it. Good. Okay. Good. Let me reduce the text size. To 50, 55. I think 55 will be okay. 55 will be okay. Good. Then I use my position to gradually position it. Good. Like this. Yes. Exactly what I needed. Let me see the curve, if it's okay. Okay, curve is okay. Let me position it very well. Remember, I use 55 for the text at the top. The one at the bottom should be the same too. Good. You see there? This is Redeemed Christian Church of God logo. Okay, I think with this, let me take it back a little. And that is it. The Redeemed Christian Church of God written. The Redeemed Christian. Now the next one, I'll click on text again. Then I'll write Church of God. Church of God. Okay. Now I'm making it change the color to green so that I can see what I'm doing. Color to green, and make the text bold. But that is how we did the first one. Make it bold. Good. Then I'll increase the text size to 55. Now if truly your alignment was okay, by the time you bend this text, you see that the space is the same thing. So let's go to bending of this text. Let's bend it. Let's bend it. Okay. Good. Think let's bend it like this. Let me use my position tool now. Okay. Let me bend it. Okay. Position tool. Think is okay. Church of God. Church of God. All the text size 55. Good. Everything is set now. Church of God is okay in that position. I think so. Yes. So the next thing you need to do, you go to your text again. Those two asterisks that are there, you come, you pick on it, click on it. As if you want to write your text, you come here on your symbols, you pick that asterisk. Okay. Now we change the asterisk color to green too, because it's the same green color. Then increase the size to 55. The same 55. Good. If I see that it's too small, I can still increase it. So position, let me position it. Here. Try and check for the center. I think I should increase it. This asterisk symbol. Let me increase it. I've not even made it bold. Let me make it bold. Yes. Make it bold. Good. I think this should be big enough. So what did I put that size? I put the size at 75. This is, make it 80. 80 is okay. Now I will duplicate this. Duplicate it. Let me take this other one this way. Take it this way. I will reposition the former one. Let me just try and position this one first. Okay, good. Now reduce it, position it very well. Take it down a bit so that it will be at an equal space. Let me take it down a bit. Good. Then this one, I think I need to take it up a bit. Sorry. Good. Now if you want to know whether your text have aligned, this is the ruler tool. You click on it, this one that looks like net, and you click on it again, then you try and move it and see whether they are on the same pace. You see, these two are not equal. So what do I have to do? I need to readjust it. Readjust this. Click on this. I'll position it very well. Just take your time and do this, and don't be in a hurry. I'm taking my time to do it so that you understand it. So don't be in a hurry. Good. So with this, I think we are done with the logo of Redeemed Christian Church of God. So for this, I can either delete or hide it. Okay, let me lock everything I've done so that they'll not be moving up and down. Then let me hide this one. Good. Now with this, you have your logo. Now I can put something at the back. I can make my background. I can make my background transparent. I can make it transparent, then save it as a project. Redeem. You see, I've been able to save it. Sorry, my data is on. I'm making this mistake again. Okay, sorry, those are just ads. Data was on, that's why. Sorry for that. Let me off my data so that it won't be disturbing us again. Okay, good. Now you see, I've been able to save it as a project. So what I'll do, I'll save